Hi guys and welcome. Today I want to talk about my result from my red light panel. And if you want to know a quick answer if it helped me, yes, it did help me. And if you want to know how it helped me, stick around. Okay guys, before we jump into my results, I just want to give you a little bit heads up with this kind of red light panels. You see, there's a lot of different brands and models and shapes, and I did a lot of research before I made my choice. And the symbol was quite easy after a lot of research and been watching a lot of YouTubers. And I ended up with Infraredi Flex Max. I thought this was the most affordable model, and the reason why I chose it was the size, yes, but the most important was it's FDA classed. And if you go on Alibaba or Amazon, you will find a lot of different brands or models that you don't get so much information about them. And I think you should be very careful with that, because you're going to be exposed with this kind of lights. And some experts says that these cheap models don't have as much infrared light, that you can be more exposed with blue light. So that's something you should be taking account with when you are thinking of buying a cheaper models. So be careful. Okay, so my first result was that I got better sleep, and actually that was something I really hoped for to get. And it didn't give me any 10-hour sleep that I was thinking I would get. Instead, it gave me more deeper sleep. And in a way that's much better, because when I wake up in the morning, I feel more well rested. And I just want to tell you about the first 5 to 7 days when I began to use my red light panel. I felt a little bit anxious in my body and a little bit stressed. And I've been reading a lot of articles and listened to people on YouTube. And I think what's happening is when you are beginning your red light therapy, you start and activate a lot of cells and hormones in your body. And I think that anxious feeling is that you're activating a lot of it. Your body goes through a big process. So the first 5 days I actually slept less hours, but after a week I begin to be more normalized and I came into my normal sleep routine. So my second result is that I got muscle pain relief with this red light panel and joint pain relief. You see, I'm an old wrestler, so I got all bunch of different injuries in my body. I got neck problems, bone, shoulder, elbows, and even an ACL surgery on my left knee. And what happened is that every time I'm trying to get into shape, I begin to push my body more and more. And every time I've done that, something breaks in my body, some old injury. And this time I've been using this infrared light for almost 11 weeks now. And so far so good, it helped me. I don't get swollen, especially on my left knee. Normally when I do heavily lifts with my legs, it always ends up that I get a little bit swollen around my left knee. And on the morning I get all stiff around it. And so far so good, this red light therapy has helped me to not get swollen, and it has even hold back all the stiffness that I get with my injuries. So my third result is that I got better skin. And the most noticeable part of my body is the face. I think the skin is a little bit more glowing, and I've been noticing it's getting more tighter around my eyes, which resulted that my small wrinkles has begun to disappear. So that's a thumbs up for that. And another bonus is that I'm using this red light panel over my entire body. And now when I begin to work out more, I've been noticing that the skin around my abs and hips has begun to get more tighter. They say that the infrared light can burn more body fat, but I don't think, I'm not a believer on that theory. But I think that the skin gets more tighter overall. Okay, fourth and the last result. I got better hair. I got thicker hair, and the pockets I got from my hair loss, it's began to come small hair follicles. And I have two pictures here. As you can see, this is from September last year, and this picture is from me now. I just want to point out that my hair now is longer, so that maybe can do an illusion, but you have to trust on me. I think my hair has improved. So I'm gonna do a 6-month video on my results, and we can do a comparison with my hair from today and compare it to the summer. Hey guys, that was my 4th results from my infrared light panel. I just want to say, whatever reason it is that you want to buy this infrared light panel, you have to be patient. When it comes to fixing body parts, skin, hair loss, pain relief, whatever, these things takes time, so be patient. The other thing I want to end this video with is that I am not sponsored by any brands, so this is my own money and my own experience only. So with no further ado, I just want to end up and say thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video. Bye!